going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. 75 Pete back with another video. Yeah, out here working on this truck. I'm out here draining these tanks. Oh, as you see, that don't look good at all. This field got a lot of water in it, so I'm gonna try to get all of it out, get some good clean diesel in it. But before we get going on all that, please make sure you go get your t-shirts, your Peterbilt Posse t-shirts. I appreciate everybody that already got one. I'll put a picture here for you to see what they look like if you're interested. But back to the truck. Out here about to, we're gonna see what can we get it started today. Well, like I said, we gotta get all this out, as y'all can see. See what it look like. But I'm gonna get this side done and I'll catch y'all on the other side. Alright, YouTube. We got it all about drained out. That's the last little bit trickling out now. As you can see what color that diesel is, it ain't no good. It's more water than it is diesel. I put a little bit in this Gatorade jug just to give y'all just let y'all see what it look like. I know on the camera, hopefully it don't look like red diesel. It's like a brownish color. Like a brownish color, and y'all can see all that floating around in there, all that come out the tank. So, but like I said, it's mainly water. There's more water in it than it is diesel. After I had took some and threw some on the fire, got going, but it about put the fire out. It got so much water in it. So, but I'm gonna let this last little bit drain out. Then we're gonna put some clean, fresh diesel in the tanks. But from what I see, it don't look like it had too much, you know, build up in the bottom. But like I said, I can't really get up in there and see, because like y'all see how the thing is, I can't, you know, look down in there. So, but from what I can tell, it don't look like it had too much build up. Well, at least I hope not. See, that's the last little bit trickling now. I'm about to put the plug back in and stick some clean diesel in it. Probably gonna wait a couple hours, wait on the sun and go down a little bit, because it's probably about 90, 92 degrees out here right now, and I ain't in the shade. So we'll be back this evening. All right, YouTube, we back out here this evening. See, I've drained it out my filter. They got some of that bad fuel in there. I had put good fuel in there when I changed it, but it was sucking up that bad fuel out the tank. But I just put some good fuel in the tank. So I'm gonna let this drain and everything, and then we're gonna get it primed back up. I had to hook this hose back up first, because I had that hose going down into a bucket, but it wouldn't catch prime, so I drained out the tanks, and we're gonna draw it out the tank soon as this empty out right here. So probably try to pull it off and put some fresh diesel in it, and gonna keep on trucking. So I'll be back when we get a little farther with the fire. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. 75 Pete back with another video. I wanted to show you what was up under the hood and give you an update on the truck. Sorry for the background, though, it's a train going by. It'll be going by in a second, but this is a power plant. 3406B cat, air to air. I was hoping this would be a will it start video, but the fuel rack stuck in the fuel pump, so I'm trying to get it loose before I take it all the way off. I hadn't decided I'm gonna take it off and have the work done to take it to a shop. I hadn't made up my mind yet, but I'm trying to get it freed up. I got it soaking. I got to pour some stuff in, the got it soaking. Hopefully it free it up, because the diesel that was in this truck was basically water. It was more water than anything, so that's what it is. But here go a quick look under the hood. Got 2 new filters on there. Had to put a new prime pump on there. Let y'all get a look at the other side. See, I had to strap the hood up, because there ain't nothing to hold it up, and then it won't come all the way full because it's hitting the bumper. So, but they got these air assist on there, but of course it ain't no air in it. But here go the other side. really tell it's been sitting. Turbo is good. You see, I got the clamp off. I took the clamp off to check the turbo. It's spin good and everything. That's our powerhouse. Like I said, I was hoping I was starting it up, but like I said, the fuel rack is stuck. It'll run when you spray a little ether on there. It'll run until it burn the ether up. It ain't getting no fuel to the injectors. And I was trying to figure out why, and then I've seen the rack. So like I said, hadn't made up my mind if I'm going to get that one replaced or get it rebuilt yet. But we got to do something. Okay. I've been out here working on it for a while. Yeah, pretty much every day. Trying to get it started, but like I said, got to get that taken care of. I've seen some used ones. I don't know if I'm gonna buy one of them, but like I said, get it rebuilt. And I have to find somebody to do it because I don't really think I might not have the time to take it off and do it right now. Well, not this week anyway. Gonna be running. I had to come down here and get the Kenworth ready for tomorrow. Here it is. I changed the switch on the inside and everything. Just under the hood, look, because I know I couldn't get the hood up for y'all last time. That's it. I have to drain the tanks out. I got a couple clips of that for y'all. Ain't nothing special. Got to get some fuel caps because these won't even turn down all the way. Got to order those. Put some tires on it. Got to get 2 aluminum wheels for the front so we can move it around when I do get it started. I don't know, I might call around tomorrow and see who can get it in the quickest. If not, then I get somebody to come down here and do it. But I know I probably got to get that part redone. That's what it look like up under the hood, guys. Mechanical, all mechanical. Don't look too bad on here. You got a bunch of little wires and stuff I need to change. Grounds and whatnot, cause they showing bad wires, so I'm gonna go and change all that stuff before I put it on the road. Yeah, I seen online, cause I really don't like these side skirts. I seen online where they sell a replacement side piece for a hood. Take the hood apart and put the replacement side piece on. So I might end up getting these side pieces. That way I ain't got to worry about these holes in the hood. It'll be all smooth and clean like I want it. Like I said, because I don't want those horns, and I don't like how they drill holes in. And these right here is basically the same thing as like being a sleeper. You can pull them from the inside. Don't know if I can show y'all. I'm trying to get it right there and show y'all, but y'all can see y'all pull it on the inside. But like I said, I don't want those. I want it clean, so I'm gonna try to probably, like I said, get them side pieces and just get somebody to take them, like I said, replace that whole side panel. That way it'd be nice and smooth and no holes. What else we got to do? Like I said, more wires and stuff hanging. The AC now hooked up. We're gonna get it running and everything. I'm gonna see about getting that AC hooked back up. Like I said, y'all can see the wiring mess. Like I said, I do wiring, so that ain't gonna be no big deal. It's gonna be time consuming, but it'll be worth it. put a whole nother cap on this side. I'm changing them over to hub pilot eventually, but it probably won't be when I first get it going. Y'all see the exhaust, see how it's rotting. It's rotting down through there, but like I said, all that's gonna be redone anyway when we change the stacks on it. Still need to get it cleaned up. Take these off. That ain't even bolted on there. This one ain't even bolted on there. Looks like they just stuck that on there. Yeah, they just stuck that on there. There ain't no holes in it, so that's a good thing, unless they two up top. But it don't look like no holes in it, so that's good. Like I said, new mirrors. A lot of the stuff I seen that need to be replaced, I can get, so. Gonna change, like I said, got to change the locks, get new door hinges. But we're gonna get it running before we do all that. The tank's in good shape, like I said, just gotta get capped. I ain't gonna replace the tanks. Just get them cleaned up. Like I said, I just got to get some caps. Like I said, I drained these down, put fresh diesel in there. I had a time trying to get diesel in this thing. I had to pump it in there on this side because I couldn't get no jug or nothing up in there. So just a quick update so y'all have something this week. I didn't want to keep y'all waiting. But that's y'all's quick update. Just want to give y'all something quick, right quick. Tell you what was going on with the motor. Like I said, it'll run on ether, but I don't want to spray too much in there. It'll run on it. Run no problem. It just ain't getting no fuel. I mean, it's getting fuel, but it's not getting no fuel because the rack not opening up to shoot it up in the injector or whatever. So that's what it is, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. More updates coming soon. If you ain't already have, please go buy your Peterbilt Posse t-shirts. Share the videos, and that'll be all, guys. Y'all take care and be safe. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update. I'm out.